Welcome to Backwoods Hustle. We're going to be busting out some trees. This is going to be like a series long project. This is going to take a little while. We got quite a few big trees in here. They're in between houses. Having a hard time finding workers. Everybody's wanting to rely off the government now, I reckon. A bunch of lazy asses. But anyway, we're going to get a start today on some of the smaller work until I get some climbers here. And I'm going to show y'all what all we're going to be doing. I hope y'all enjoy this. I'm going to try and work on this big dead willow today. We got this big dead monster over here. You gotta get a fence and a house is there. And the one up front, in between the two houses, gotta grab that sucker. And we got a dead willow right here hanging over their property. We're also going to get down in this series this old dead log over here. Clean up all this out of the yard. That crap over there. All this just dead laying around everywhere. Clip some stuff down. Eventually we'll take out some branches over top of this shed. And then we're going to grind the stumps out. This one today is the project. And of course clean up around here as well. This big one's hollow as hell through here.
You already talked to the neighbors?
Hollow in there. You can see all the root better now. Got all that. All this. Yeah, big piece of root there. The bush. And you get more root. Massive root here.
No, you got the wrong number, bud.
Alright, thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem.
I had to run back and get my stump grinder so I can knock all that root out that I was showing you in the video. I don't even know if you can see it on there. But I'm letting it warm up. I'm going to pull it out, get it over there, grind that root out and see what we can do about that dead willow tree. And try and bring that down without dropping it on that garage that's next door. But hopefully we can do something with it. We're having a hard time finding climbers right now, and we have to rent our lifts, which we'll probably end up having to do with this job, which is fine. It'll save me a little money on climbers. Climbers get expensive. They're just as expensive as a lift, maybe a little more, because you're climbing up inside the tree and everything. And usually I get climbers when I can't have a lift. It's just easier that way with some jobs, especially ones that are more dangerous to bring down next to houses and stuff like that. I usually put climbers in them if I can, so we can rope everything down pretty slow. But we're gonna get back over there and get these stumps knocked out. Mainly clear through here. Maybe we're going to take a chunk out of that tree root and taking that whole tree down. So I'm going to clear all this root out through here. I don't even know if y'all can even see it down low. Trying to see that big piece right be able to move through here a lot better, and we'll clear that bush out too. This is where we're at so far with the roots. Ground quite a bit out so far. It's coming along. Get one from this end. So far. This is all some monster root straight to that bush. Yard's pretty cleaned up from earlier. It's full of leaves and branches and every damn thing else. We got all the root out of the yard back here as well. So the job today, we wrapped up. Didn't look like we got a whole lot of anything done, but we actually cleared a lot of root, made a little driveway so we can get equipment back there. Dropped one of the limbs off the dead willow and cleaned the yard up pretty good. I mean, it took us most of the day to just get everything cleaned up ready for us to get to working on those trees. Also, didn't have any climbers today. I got to work on finding some. It's hard to find people that want to work. It's a pain in the ass. Slows us down a lot, but we'll get it. We always do. I'll start a series of these because this is probably going to take us a little while. We got other work we got to pick up during the next couple weeks, so we're going to fit this in at least once a week or something like that, maybe twice a week to get it knocked out, get it done, and get paid. But please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Help this channel grow. Live life, have fun.